Want to know what the pros and cons are to being a real estate agent? Hi, my name is Debi Lucas, and I am the team leader with the Debi Lucas Homes team at HomeSmart. I get asked a lot what the pros and cons are to being a real estate agent. Pros. Number one pro, you have the potential to make as much money as you want. And the harder you work, the more money you're going to make. Number two, you've got no clock, no boss. You can make your own schedule whenever you want, and that's the great point of having flexibility. Number three is you can build your own team, you can work on a team, you can pretty much make your own brand, which is a great thing. Number four, the fact is that you meet incredible people in this business, and I have made so many incredible friends through my sellers, my buyers, and of course my peers. Now, what are the cons? Well, the number one con, I would say, would be safety issue. As real estate agents, we're everywhere. We're all over social media, all over the different platforms that are out there, so you need to be careful. And one of the next thing is you have to be careful when you're doing your open houses and who you're letting into your open houses, as well as when you're going on showings. You have to be careful. If you're by yourself and you're going into an empty house, you have to be really, really careful. And I would say the fourth con would be it's expensive to be a real estate agent. You want to make money, you need to market. You need to spend that money, and that's part of the business. But again, it's a great business. I love doing what I do. If you're looking to make a move, give me a call. Debi Lucas with the Debi Lucas Homes team at HomeSmart, 516-319-6202.